Oh, hi guys, how are you today? We are back again to our same project that we are going on. As you can see, this is where we are now. So today we did ring beam. As you can see, we did the homework for 2 days. After doing the homework and reinforcement, we are also done concreting. So we have done with the concreting. We are done with our ring beam, and what is left now in our ring here is curing. We are giving it time to rest, at least 7 days to rest, so that it can get enough curing for tenacity. As we can walk around today, we need to be very brief because it's all about one process that we did today, which is ring beam. As you can see at the front here, we did arches. So when we'll be removing our formwork, I will show you. We will show you where how we did the arches. So here at the balcony, at the front veranda, we have done the arches, and then here comes the entrance where now you can see our beam, ring beam going through. So this is our beam going through in our entrance, main entrance. As we can get now, you can see this is the entrance for the sitting room. We have also done arch. This is we have done it has an arch. Also our dining room, which is opposite to our sitting room, also we have done an arch. As we go through, we have a beam that is going continuously from the kitchen to the common toilet, which is also connecting this opening, this entrance to the corridor that supplies us to the kitchen and these other rooms. So we have another arch here. It's arches. We have just put them for the beautification of our house, to appear more beautiful during completion and finishing. So we also, this is our master room. You can see this is our master room. We have done all the ring beam for everything. I've never escaped anything. I didn't skip anything from this house when doing reinforcement for a ring beam. Not everywhere has been put a ring beam, so that we avoid differential settlement when it comes to settlementation. Reinforcement is a very nice process in a house. A house should have a very good reinforcement for it to withstand the loads that is going to receive during roofing or slabbing in that roofing process. So we have done it very gently. We have done it in a manner that creates our house to be a very, very strong house. And this one, I want to promise you guys that this house, come 10 years, come 20 years, come 100 years, you will never realize any cracks, because it has received enough reinforcement. This house has got enough right away from the foundation to our ring beam. So our next process here, which we are going to show you in the next video, is that we are going to do what we call wall masonry. Wall masonry is the wall that's built above the ring beam. So we are going to build our 1,000 millimeters, which is 1 meter high, a wall masonry, and then from there is when now we will set our roofing. So today I just wanted to show you about this ring beam and the formwork that you have done, reinforcement and the concreting. We have used grade 20 concrete, which is also very strong for the reinforcement, for our reinforcement of our ring beam. So with those remarks, I would just like to tell you thank you, and I wanted to remind you that don't forget to subscribe to our channel, like and even share, comment even that, tell us where you see mistakes, criticize us. We need criticism. criticize our work so that we learn more, we get to know our mistakes, we get to know where now we need to improve. But so far you can see. So if you want to find us, you can reach 0768730282. That is for Engineer Kelvin. For the number, another number my producer will show you when we will cast the video. Thank you.